Welcome back to Let Me Put You Onto a Plant You Probably See All the Time, Part 6. Today we're going to be looking at some creeping wood sorrel, sometimes called vinagrillo or sour grass because of its sour taste. This herb is often considered a weed, so let's learn about it.